Hello everyone, welcome to Lifestyle. Today I am going to make a new recipe, so let's get started. To make this, first we need in a bowl 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida. Then add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now I am adding just a pinch of salt. Then add half teaspoon of cinnamon powder or dalchini powder. Now mix all these dry ingredients well. Then I am adding 1 cup of milk. Now mix them well and make a smooth lump-free batter. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Please take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. I post new videos every week. This kind of consistency you need. Now turn on the gas and place the pan over the gas. Then add just a little bit of refined oil and spread the oil. Then take a spoonful of batter and pour it. You can spread it with the help of a spoon to cook faster. Cook on low flame for a few minutes. When it's almost cooked, then I'm going to use chocolates. Here I use Cadbury Dairy Milk. You can use any chocolate you want. Cut it first. Now I'm going to grate it on top of this. Cook it for few seconds and then fold it. When it's cooked perfectly, transfer it on a plate. Likewise, I make all these. Our very tasty and yummy new recipe is ready to eat now. It is very easy to make and I'm going to finish it right now. I hope you like the video. For more such interesting videos, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, do like, share and comment. Thanks for watching. you